is by definition incredibly open in this way that allows this abuse to take place.
You know, Carmi, a couple of months ago we had a story about ChatGPT.
This is a Province of Ontario emergency bulletin which applies to people within 10 kilometers of the Pickering nuclear generating station. An incident was reported at the Pickering nuclear generating station. There has been no abnormal release of radioactivity from the station, and emergency staff are responding to the situation. People near the Pickering nuclear generating station do not need to take any protective actions at this time. Remain tuned to local media for further information and instructions.
Is that this is an owner who literally does not care. He's the richest man in the world, about to become even richer, and he doesn't play by the same rules that you and I would normally play by.
There is no active nuclear situation taking place at the Pickering nuclear generating station. The previous alert was issued in error. There is no danger to the public or environment. No further action is required.